Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be trying out the 2023 vanilla recipe. Yes, this is the newest recipe I posted earlier and so many people were I should try it myself. Today I'll be trying it out myself, so watch to the end. Okay, here are the ingredients for the newest vanilla cake. Your eggs, vanilla flavor. I'm mixing with butterscotch, your flour, milk, vegetable oil, baking powder, margarine. You can use butter and sugar. I'll be putting all the measurement in my description below, so check it out. Add your margarine into a mixing bowl and you cream a little. Go ahead and add your vegetable oil. Cream a little and add your sugar. Continue creaming till the butter, sugar and oil is looking light and fluffy. If you watch that training video, they use standing mixer for this, but I'm using my wooden stick. So feel free to use your standing mixer, hand mixer for this process, but I'm doing it so that if you don't have hand mixer or standing mixer, you will be able to prepare this lovely vanilla cake and everything will still come out beautiful. So that is why I'm using my wooden stick today. So cream, look at that, it's already doubling inside. Measure half tablespoon of baking powder into your flour and you sieve together and set aside. If your baking powder is very active, you can use 1.5 teaspoons. Take your time to sieve the flour and baking powder and you set aside. For the eggs, please crack one after the other to avoid any bad one entering the main bowl. Add little at a time as you mix. When you're done mixing the eggs, go ahead and add your milk and flour, a little of the flour, a little of the milk, and you combine. If today is your first time on my channel, today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Family. You're welcome. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of our newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for dropping by. Thanks for coming around. Please don't forget to like this video. Feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions. Just look at the butter, looking so beautiful. The butter is looking so beautiful. Okay, right now we'll be adding our flavor. Yes, like I said before, I love mixing butterscotch to my vanilla flavor. It takes my vanilla cake to another level. Okay, 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor, and I will add half tablespoon of butterscotch. I'll stir together and combine. I have already on the oven to start preheating. My pans are already set. I greased with margarine and I dusted with flour. So look at the butter, beautiful. Right now I'm going to share it out. Go ahead to tap on your table to close up oil bubbles, and from 20 minutes please start checking your cake. Look at that, this is beautiful. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more videos. Thanks a million for watching. Don't forget to like. Bye.